Welcome to this Sellercloud tutorial on how to verify orders when they are ready to ship. Whether you prefer manual control or automated efficiency, Sellercloud's OKtoShip Workflow empowers you to tailor your order processing to fit your unique business needs. Let's get started. Go to Client Settings, then General Client Settings under the Fulfillment section. When you enable OKtoShip Workflow in the client settings, all your orders will be automatically marked as not OK to ship. To change their status to OK to ship, you will need a user, an order rule, or a plugin. Alternatively, you can use the Enable OK to Ship to default to OK status client setting to set all orders as OK to ship by default. This is useful when you have an extra step before shipping, such as customer-related checks or channel requirements. Additionally, you can enable the automatic marking of orders as OK to ship when they are added to pick lists. This helps ensure timely, efficient, and accurate order fulfillment. Check the box for mark order as OK to ship when added to pick list and click Save. Sellercloud offers the order rule engine, allowing you to set up rules that update the OK to ship status based on specific criteria. Go to the order rule engine under the Settings tab and click on Manage Rules. Click on the plus icon to create a new rule. In the Conditions tab of the Rule Wizard, set the desired criteria for the rule. In the Actions tab, click on the plus icon to create a new action. Add the action details, action name, action type, change order status, and select OK to ship status as the order status. You only have to enable the rule and you're good to go. Now, let's explore the manual method of marking orders as ready to ship. Navigate to the Orders tab and select Manage Orders. Choose your desired orders from the grid. Click on the Actions menu and select Update Order Status. From the drop-down menu, simply mark the status as OK to ship. You can do this for both single and multiple orders. And there you have it.